Hello, Scruffy. Hello. So I am on my way now to my MAC event. I'm so excited. It's going to be such a beautiful morning. It's super sunny. It's very crisp. It is about 7:30 in the morning. I've got quite a few breakouts from the snow just from wearing helmets all day long because we were skiing from like 10 till 4. Just having a helmet on your head the whole time. I'm here getting my makeup done by Pinky. Yeah. She has given me a La Mer mask. Look at me. Very lucky, very luxurious. And I'm also looking at this and I'm like, I need to take some inspiration for my house because I'm gonna move house and I am just the worst at interior design. Hello. Got the morning kit, got the gals. Here's Jess. Here's Pinky. Hi.
We'll get there, don't you worry.
Bring on the transformation. There's a massive poster of me. We've got MAC times Sammy. We've got the lip kits up the top there. And then how beautiful is this space? We're at Laporte Space. So beautiful, and it's such a lovely sunny day today. Thank you guys all for coming. I feel very special to have you all here. I guess the first one, the nude, which is to be expected. I'm a bit of a nude addict. I think I own every single one of MAC's nude lipsticks. And it was so hard to pick which one because every week I sort of choose a different one that's my favorite. The original one that I used when I was in year 11 and I got it for my formal was Velvet Teddy, and ever since I think I've gone through like 6 tubes of it. And so I was like, you know what, I have to go with Velvet Teddy, and I love all the lip liners as well, but Boldly Bare is a good classic that suits a lot of people, a lot of skin tones. And I love other ones like Whirl and Soar and things, but they can be a lot darker. So I kept it simple, kept it neutral for the nude box. And then I really wanted to do another nude box, but I thought that's just silly, like it just doesn't make sense. So I ended up going with red, and I think a lot of you guys would know that Ruby Woo from MAC is just such a good classic red. It's not too pink, not too burgundy. It's a perfect sort of orange undertone. It makes your teeth really white, and I just think it's, again, suits a lot of skin tones. So I went with Ruby Woo for the second one, and yeah.
I think that's probably one of the great things about these lip kits is that they work on every single skin tone. So MAC as a brand really celebrates diversity. We want to produce products that can be used by people of all ages, all genders, all races.
And we were saying before how interesting it is with Velvet Teddy, how different it looks on everyone. So it can look really pinky and nude on me, and then really on Holly it might be really brown. They're just different skin tones. It looks really cool. That's what I love about it. So yeah. Got the girls here. The event is finishing up now, so everything's just being packed up, and we're about to go to Myer. Have a look. Thanks for coming, girls.
Of course! Thanks for having us. Congratulations!
Bissy, thanks for having us. Okay, so the event is over. That was a massive success. It was so lovely having everybody there. And now we're gonna go visit the store in Myer. This is really cute office. I love this. This dress is from Beckenbridge, by the way. Oh my god, there it is! Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah. Who's that? sitting just next to a bit of a bitch.
Oh, are you talking about me?
Jazz is like,
I was
wow,
like, oh,
thanks.
thanks.
I'm probably gonna just put a bit of my Velvet Teddy nude lip on, get a bit of a touch up. Hi guys, just put a fresh layer of fake tan on, so I'm just marinating in it. So it's such a beautiful sunny day today. I feel like it's actually getting warmer in Sydney. Slowly but surely I can feel the cold leaving. Probably speaking too soon because I'll bet you it'll just get cold again in a few days. Just wanted to come on here and give you guys a few little updates. I firstly wanted to just thank you guys for supporting me. This collaboration with Mac was really such a milestone. It's a brand that I've always loved, and I can't believe my face is sort of all in the stores and all in the boxes, and it's so amazing. So I'm very beyond blessed to have been given that opportunity, and it's because of you guys that I get to do things like that, so thank you so much. And obviously you guys would have seen in the video, but I sort of explained that I have two boxes with Mac. I've got the bear box and the bold box. The bear box has my favorite Velvet Teddy. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not flashing you guys. So the bear box has Velvet Teddy and Boldly Bear. The bold box has Ruby Woo and Cherry, which is my favorite reds from Mac. I also wanted to give you guys a quick update as well before I left you, and just let you know what it's Noah doing. And just let you guys know that we applied for a house. I don't know if we got it, but it was the most perfect house. Oh, and so fingers crossed we still get it. I don't know if we will or not. But we're still looking, and things are progressing, so we will be having lots of moving vlogs in the next coming weeks, lots of reorganization, interior design, things like that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that, and I want to do a few more health and fitness vlogs as well, and show you guys a few healthy recipes and get back on our health track. So yeah, those vlogs are going to be coming soon. I hope that you guys are excited. I am just having 5 minutes out in the sun because it's such a beautiful day today. Tonight we've got an event on, so Nick and I are going to that. Make some lunch though. I am going to make some fried rice with chicken. I'm just enjoying the sun so much. It's been so cold that I'm like, oh my gosh, the sunlight. Like, I just want the house so badly, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Not because I am being negative, but because it was like a negotiation, so it was from a certain price, and I think someone's put in a higher offer than us. But that's okay. We'll see. Fingers crossed. I feel like every single time I vlog, I'm in this jumper. I swear I wear normal clothes. It's just that usually when I talk to you guys, it's when I'm like about to go out, getting ready, comfy, chilling out. So, well, I suppose that's just an excuse. I kind of am always in this jumper. I'm just curling my hair because I'm about to go to an event. I'm meeting Nick in the city, and we are going to the, I believe we're going to the Museum of Contemporary Art. It's going to be a beautiful event. I think it's a sit-down dinner, so I'm excited to have all of the Mexican food. It's for International Tequila Day, I think. Again, we'll have to check. But I'm just curling my hair. I have no idea what I'm going to wear, so stand by. Yeah, I'm very excited. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm just going to Uber down to the city. It's Wednesday, so I can't have too many margaritas, but I mean 1 or 2 won't hurt. We have little Gnarly here. Do you want to make your feature? Do you want to make your feature? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, you make your feature. So, I have very exciting news. I don't want to jinx myself because I feel like I don't want it to fall through. Hi guys, how are you? So nice to see you. If I do jinx it, well, touch wood. Daisy and I have been accepted into a house. I'm so excited. It is literally the coolest, randomest beach shack bungalow thing ever. Totally not what I had originally envisioned, but it's just gonna be so fun. It's in such a good location. We're gonna have such a good time. It's got a big, beautiful backyard for Nala. And my tenant, I'm sorry, I'm the tenant. I always call him the tenant. My homeowner is super chill and cool. I've already met her, so that's awesome. But we're moving out next bloody Thursday. So, yeah. When you guys are watching this, it will be Thursday night. And, which means I have 1 week till I'm moving out. So as in, like, it's Wednesday today, I'm gonna put this up tomorrow night. And it will be 1 week till I have to move out. So I'm probably gonna be sleeping there next week in literally 1 week. Oh my goodness, it's craziness, but I'm so excited. I'd rather not have to wait. I'd rather just do it, just get it over and done with and start living our new lives. So I'm very, very pumped. So next vlog will literally be a moving vlog, as I have literally 1 week. So I'm gonna start filming that probably tomorrow or Friday, or even on the weekend. I'm sure I'll get like a lot of moving done, but I have a few friends housewarming this weekend, so I'm so excited. I just wanted to let you guys know. Next vlog, I'll tell you guys all about it, but I just wanted to briefly mention it. I'm so excited. Natalie, how do you feel about having a new home, baby? Oh, is that how you feel? It's so exciting. But anyways, yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get there. I went to brush my hair and I couldn't find my brush, and long behold, of course, I should have known. That would be mine, thank you very much. Okay, ready to go. I'm wearing my 21st birthday dress. I'm wearing my fluffy bag, my 21st birthday dress. So I'll see you guys there. I'm gonna spray a bit of Chanel. So this is our first course. We've got our entree, which is ceviche with avocado.
Even the bottles receive hands-on attention. Skilled glass artisans in Mexico create our classic bottles as unique pieces of art. The bottles must be just as precious as what goes inside.
Here is our main. It looks divine. Nick's lit.
No. Hey, hey, baby. Who?
Oh.
Ha.